Hello everyone, welcome back. We're moving forward to our project, How the Earth Moves. And our next group is going to be Anthony's group.
All right, good morning, everybody. My group, I got Anthony, Jose, and Esmeralda, and then we're going to be talking about calendars and the different types of calendars. We got types of calendars. We got Julian, Gregorian, Mayan, the future, and then we're just going to talk about the different stuff. I'll pass off to Anthony.
So I'm going to be talking about the Julian calendar. A little history. The Julian calendar was introduced by Julius Caesar in 45 BCE. Also, it was the first solar calendar. And first solar calendar, and for the Julian calendar, it was supposed to track the time and date, and
Try again.
track the date.
Look at the camera. Say hi to YouTube. Hi, YouTube. There you go. All right.
And the calendar is supposed to track events in chronological order. And so for the Julian calendar, it was miscalculated because of the leap year, and it was soon replaced. It was soon replaced with the Gregorian calendar.
All right, you got it. You good. All right, so this is the Gregorian calendar. Is a basically updated the Julian, proclaimed by Pope Gregory VIII, and then the Gregorian calendar developed correction to the Julian calendar to reference to her. Starting the average year by 0.0075 to stop the drift of the calendar. Basically, like if they kept on with Julian, the days would be longer. The days would continue to be longer. It would just not be good. So this one, so the cycle is every 400 years, the leap year, and it equals to 146,000 days. And then these 400 years, 303 are regular years, and 365 days, and 97 are leap year. Leap years of 366 days. And I got some side notes for you guys too, by the way. Just fun facts. These are the months right here. January is like Roman gods, gateway, that's what it means. February is purification. March is woman god, or woman war god. April is to open. May is Roman vegetation goddess. June is Roman goddess, marriage, childbirth. July is named after Julius Caesar. August is the month of Augustus, and then September, the 7th month, and then October 8th month, and then November is 9th month, and then December is 10th month. All right.
All right, so the Mayan calendar. So the Mayan calendar was first developed in August 11th, 3114 BC, which means before Christ. That calendar was actually called the Long Calendar, and well, let's just say that the Mayan calendar is actually the Mayan calendar, instead of 3 interlocking calendars, that means like that just means like everything's just connected with each other. So the first calendar is called the Long Calendar. The second one is called I'm sorry if I pronounce this wrong, but it's called Solic something like that. And then lastly, it's the HAB calendar. So the solid calendar was used to predict future events, and they also it was also used to know when to do rituals and when to do marriages and ceremonial events, and it was also used to make sacrifices for the gods. And then the other one was the hop. The hop was used for the hop was used for I believe it has 365 days. Yeah, the hub has 365 days, and it was just, I know that the hub was used for, the hub has 365 days. So it's similar to the Julian calendar. Yeah, so it was similar to the Julian calendar. It also orbits around, or actually, the sun.
Try again.
So, I should have. You're making me even more nervous.
Aww, sadness.
Okay, the hub was used to make. Okay, so the hub is based off.
You're boring my audience here.
Okay, sorry.
Look at the look on their face.
Anyways, wait, let's talk about the long days.
There you go.
The long days. Okay, there we go. The long days, so they basically, so the long days was made to keep track of time. And so you know how it was, so it began, they just started it on August 11th, 3114. And they predicted that the world was going to end on December 21st, 2012, which never really happened. And there was a lot of, prophecies that the world was going to end on 2012. Okay, right here.
Okay, so for the future calendar, I chose to do a reform based off of the Gregorian. So the world calendar was proposed back in 1930 by Elizabeth A. They're saying that it's more of a perennial calendar where there's even amount of days and then it's on the same day. So it was invented back in the 1930s. The thing is with the world calendar is that with its calendar dates, every first would be Sunday, Wednesdays, and Fridays. The only objections that really come up with it is mostly religious reasons, practices. Muslims, Jews, and Christians don't agree because since Sunday will be the first of every month, and Friday will be the first, and Wednesday will be the first, this is causing problems for Muslims because Saturday, it's, Sabbath for them, and also the Seventh-day Adventists. Other than that, there is benefits. There would be better quarterly prices because it's easier to remember. It would be paperless because at that point we only need one. The only thing changing is the year. So it would save money on that and help the economy. Other than that, there is one more objection, which was the international standard. Because it doesn't really follow Gregorian, how they always changed it. The first of the last day, 365, would be the leap day or holiday. So that reform was like just newly brought up, instead of like 1585. It's more simpler than the Gregorian. Other than that, here's my example. As you can see, the calendar, it's more specific into detail. As you can see, Sundays, Wednesdays, and Fridays will be the first of every month. Other than that, good. Are there any questions?
It's the end of ours, so we can bore you guys too much, so we're good. You guys have any questions?
Oh.
So out of all these calendars, which one's the oldest one?
Date back to mine.
You suck. Try again. You guys literally had the dates in your presentation.
Mine was a different one.
Which?
Yeah, so.
Do some fast math. Since the Julian one's what? 54 AD, is that what you said? Or BC? And the other one was 3000 BC? Okay. One more question. Try to make them look good. There you go.
So for Jose, you said in terms of the calendars, specifically you said that it was about a problem for religions, for their
Yeah.
specific days of worship.
Yeah.
So how would that explain why it would change based on their, basically, why would we change the calendars based on just religion?
Based on religion is because most of the religious people, like Christians, they have Sabbath day on Sunday. It's the first of every month, it's not the day of rest anymore at that point. For Muslims, since they celebrate it on Saturday, and then there's some that do prayers on Friday, it's going to affect a lot of it. Time is going to be a lot different. But it's more of a reform. It's still in development. If there's anything more, I'll let you know.
Any more questions?